2026 marks a milestone for Marcor. 40 years of delivering performance, quality, and innovation to the automotive aftermarket. For 4 decades, we've partnered with the world's top manufacturers, connecting shops and enthusiasts across Canada with the parts they trust. Now, to celebrate our 40th anniversary, we're shining a spotlight on the brands that have helped define Marcor and performance legacy we've built together. Join us as we explore the stories, innovations, and products that have made these partnerships legendary. Welcome back to Marcor Automotive. Today we're going to be highlighting SCT tuning products. For over 20 years, SCT has been a leader in ECU tuning. Their team of engineers is constantly developing new support for vehicles, refining off-the-shelf tunes, expanding custom tuning options, and improving dealer support. The goal is simple: help drivers unlock every bit of performance their vehicle has to offer. Some of SCT's most popular products are the X4, BDX, and Livewire TS Plus programmers. Let's take a closer look at each one. The BDX handheld tuner is built for drivers who need real-world performance. Whether you're towing heavy loads, driving tough terrain, or looking to improve efficiency on the highway, the BDX gives you the control to dial things in. It features a sleek design, full color display, and customizable gauges so you can monitor key vehicle data while you drive. It's designed to deliver more horsepower and torque when you need it most. Vehicle support covers a wide range of diesel applications for Chevy, GM, Ford, Dodge Ram trucks from 1999 through 2021. The X4 remains one of the SCT's most popular flash tuners. It comes preloaded with dyno-tested tunes designed to increase horsepower and torque right out of the box. It also lets you adjust a variety of parameters at the push of a button, while using the customizable display to monitor important engine data. That includes things like exhaust gas temperature, air-fuel ratio, and other 0 to 5 volt sensor sources. Ford coverage runs from 1992 through 2024 across a wide variety of applications. There is also an X4 version available for Chevy and GM applications from 1999 through 2017. If you're looking for premium features, the Livewire TS Plus steps things up. This tuner helps unlock hidden performance through recalibrating your vehicle's computer for gains in horsepower, torque, throttle response, firmer shifts, and even potential fuel mileage improvements. It comes preloaded with dyno-proven tune files and features a full-color 4-inch touchscreen display with an ambient light sensor that automatically adjusts brightness for day or night driving. The touchscreen also allows data logging, so you can record engine functions and review them later using SCT's LiveLink software. Ford support ranges from 1992 through 2024, with custom tunes available through the cloud as well. SCT also offers a variety of dash and windshield mounts, making it easy to position your programmer where it's convenient, visible, and cleanly installed. Marcor Automotive stocks Canada's largest inventory and should be your trusted source for SCT tuning products.